Hi everyone! Today I'm showcasing videos where I've combined the cute with the creepy, and it's one of my favorite things to do is to take a subject that would otherwise be either wholesome or really cute or pretty and really kind of put my own spooky twist on it, and I do this year round regardless of Halloween or not. I think more people can relate to this concept than they think they can. For instance, one of the looks I came up with was the Headless Barbie look, and that's because at some point in our childhood there was a moment or an instance where the head came off of a Barbie, whether it was playing with them too rough or fighting with them with your siblings, and there was just that core memory of thinking about that and thinking, oh, that would be a really fun and interesting take on a trend, because it was trending to do Barbie looks, and I thought, how would I approach this trend? Because generally speaking, I don't attempt to do very glamorous looks, and I very, very rarely actually do a look that's cute for the sake of doing something cute. And I appreciate people who do, because it takes a lot of finesse and a lot of blending and a lot of just a light touch that I don't necessarily think I have in my makeups. I definitely have a more rough around the edges, more painterly style to the looks that I do. Coming up with these concepts are always some of my favorite, and you kind of just think of something cute, the first thing that comes to mind, and think, okay, what about that could be turned into something spooky? The mermaid look was pretty simple to come up with a concept, because usually fairy tales and folklore and myths have a very creepy origin to begin with. And then sometimes the looks that I do that are considered creepy might not even intentionally have been creepy. For instance, the Peppa Pig video that I did, it was based on the children's show, and it was supposed to be an illusion look, and then it ended up being kind of a little terrifying at the end. So I have this saying, even when I try to be cute, it ends up being a little creepy accidentally. A good way to sell a cute but creepy look is to always use the skin as an element of the illusion. So for instance, the shark look that I did, it looks like my skin is being pulled off to the side by a hook, and underneath is a shark's mouth, even though it's kind of on a regular person's body and I have beauty makeup on. It kind of combines the two things just by nature of using the skin as an element. The same thing applies to zombie looks, or really anything where you're tearing the skin open and revealing something underneath using makeup. So it's a technique that I use very often that I think really sells the idea of taking something that would otherwise seem pretty cute and kind of putting a spooky twist on it. The same was for the Headless Barbie video too, using the black backdrop to make my neck disappear and create that floating head illusion, I think really sells by using the dark background also. So these are a few tips for those out there who might want to try their own cute but creepy look. It's fun to step out of the conventional way of things and how they're portrayed, and I encourage everyone to use their imagination to come up with ideas like this and to really step out of the box and to use your imagination. If anyone has a suggestion of something that they can combine, both cute and creepy, that you want to see me do, please leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.